Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we will simplify this radical term square root of 108. So the first step here is to break down 108 into its prime factors. So let's try to understand what they are. So the first thing to understand is what is a factor. So a factor is a number that evenly divides another number. So for example, 3 is a factor of 12 because 12 divided by 3 is a whole number, 4. Similarly, 4 is a factor of 20. So 20 divided by 4 is a whole number, 5. Now the next concept to understand is a prime number. Prime number is a number that is divisible by itself and 1 only. So for example, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, 7, 11, etc. are all prime numbers because these numbers are only divisible by themselves and 1. So prime factor is a factor that is a prime number. So there's a very important concept you need to understand and memorize. So we have to break down 108 into its prime factors. So we know that 108 is an even number. So we can break down 108 by dividing it by 2. So 108 divided by 2 is equal to 54. So we get 108 is equal to 2 times 54. Now 54 is an even number, so we can break it down further by division by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is 27. So we can rewrite this as 2 times 27. And now 27 is not an even number. We cannot break it down by dividing it by 2, but 27 is divisible by the next higher prime number, 3. So we know 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we get 2 times 3 times 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So we can rewrite this as 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So these are the prime factors of 108. The next step is to break down 108 into these numbers. So it's a multiplication statement of these prime factors. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we can simplify this expression. So we have to keep in mind that because we are doing the square root of 108, two same numbers come out of the square root as a single number. So these two 2's come out as a single 2 and we write that single 2 in front of the square root. So now we are left with 3 times 3 times 3 under the square root. We can analyze another pair. So there's a pair of 3 under the square root. So this pair will come out as a single 3 in front of the square root and will multiply 2 by 3. And now we are left with just a single 3 under the square root. And now we can do 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Now we cannot simplify this number any further because there is only a single 3 under the square root. We cannot take that out of the square root in any way. So this should be the final answer for the simplified form of square root of 108. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.